12 things smart employees do in their first 90 days. Starting a new job is a crucial time for setting the tone for success. The first 90 days are vital for making a strong impression and laying the groundwork for long-term achievement. Smart employees know how to navigate this period with purpose and strategy. From building relationships to mastering the company culture and delivering value early, their approach is intentional. These employees understand the power of proactive communication, continuous learning, and setting realistic goals, ensuring they not only meet expectations but exceed them. Ready to discover the 12 things smart employees do to thrive in their first 90 days? 1. Master the hidden org chart. Why? Formal titles are not always an accurate reflection of real influence within a company. Many key decisions are made by individuals who don't necessarily hold high-ranking titles but have strong relationships, knowledge, or political power. Understanding the informal network can be crucial to navigating the company and achieving success. What to do? To master the hidden org chart, identify the individuals who truly hold influence, gatekeepers, decision-makers, and those who influence key processes. Start by asking your colleagues about the most trusted people in the company and who plays a key role in making decisions. You can also observe informal interactions, such as who is consulted on important decisions or who seems to be in the loop for important meetings. Pro tip: a simple way to identify key people is to ask, who should I know outside my team? This can uncover individuals you might not otherwise interact with but who could be essential in your success. Understanding the hidden org chart helps you build the right relationships and work with the right people to get things done. 2. Deliver a quick win. Why? Delivering an early win can quickly establish your credibility and value in a new role. It demonstrates that you can take initiative and make meaningful contributions right away, which can create positive momentum for your career. A quick win also helps reduce any initial apprehension that may surround your transition into the new position. What to do? Identify a small but visible problem within your team or department that you can solve within your first 30 days. This problem should be something that aligns with the company's priorities and can have an immediate positive impact. Choose something realistic and manageable that you can take ownership of and deliver on quickly. Pro tip: to maximize your impact, choose a quick win that also aligns with leadership priorities. If leadership has emphasized a particular goal or issue, demonstrating that you can contribute to those objectives early on will be highly valued and show you're aligned with the company's direction. 3. Learn the company's language. Why? Every company has its own unique jargon, communication style, and culture. Understanding the language used by the company is key to fitting in, building rapport, and avoiding misunderstandings. It can also help you more effectively communicate your ideas and demonstrate that you're becoming part of the company's culture. What to do? Pay attention to the language used in emails, meetings, and presentations. Listen carefully for repeated terms, values, or unwritten rules that are central to the company's culture. These terms may be a mix of industry jargon or specific phrases that reflect the company's mission, values, and goals. Pro tip: mimic how leaders communicate in emails and meetings. By mirroring their style and tone, you'll show that you understand the company's communication expectations and can fit into its culture. Also, asking questions to clarify terms or phrases you're unsure about can help you grasp the company's language faster. 4. Build a career GPS. Why? Without a clear career direction, it's easy to become aimless or miss opportunities for growth. Creating a career GPS means mapping out the path that leads to your success within the company, as well as setting clear milestones along the way. This helps to ensure you're consistently progressing and staying focused on what truly matters in your career. What to do? Schedule a one-on-one meeting with your manager to clarify expectations and align on your goals. Discuss success metrics for your role, identify key challenges the team faces, and ask about growth opportunities in the next 6 to 12 months. This meeting will give you a roadmap to follow, helping you stay on track and make meaningful progress. Pro tip: be proactive in seeking out feedback. Regularly check in with your manager and colleagues to assess your progress and identify areas for improvement. By doing this, you can continuously refine your career trajectory and adjust your goals as needed. 5. Create a learning sprint plan. Why? In any new job, there are knowledge gaps to close and skills to develop. Creating a focused plan to address these gaps will help you quickly become competent and effective in your role. A learning sprint plan accelerates your development by prioritizing the most important skills you need to acquire in the first 90 days. What to do? Identify the top 3 skills or knowledge areas that you need to develop in order to succeed in your new role. These might include technical skills, understanding the company's processes, or learning about the specific challenges your team faces. Create a 90-day learning plan to focus on acquiring these skills. Pro tip: shadow high performers or colleagues who excel in the areas you need to improve. Observing their approach and asking for advice can speed up your learning process. Additionally, setting short-term learning goals within each area will allow you to see progress and build confidence. 6. Avoid the know-it-all trap. Why? It's tempting to showcase your knowledge and skills early in a new role, but doing so without fully understanding the company or its dynamics can lead to alienation. Overconfidence can make colleagues feel that you're not receptive to their input, which could harm your relationships and hinder your success. What to do? In your first month, focus on asking more questions than you answer. Approach learning with humility by seeking to understand rather than immediately offering solutions. When talking with colleagues, use phrases like, "help me understand," instead of making assumptions or saying, "why don't you?" This fosters collaboration and shows you value others' expertise. Pro tip: being an active listener and asking insightful questions not only helps you learn faster but also builds trust with your colleagues. People appreciate when you show a genuine interest in their perspectives and are open to learning. 7. Map the pain points. Why? Solving the right problems is more valuable than doing busy work. By identifying and addressing the most pressing issues, you demonstrate that you're focused on what really matters. Understanding recurring pain points within the company can help you prioritize your efforts and build your reputation as someone who can make a tangible impact. What to do? Observe and talk to your colleagues to identify common challenges or frustrations that are repeatedly mentioned. These might be operational inefficiencies, communication gaps, or other obstacles hindering productivity. Keep a journal to document these pain points and track patterns over time. Pro tip: by focusing on solving pain points that affect multiple teams or the organization at large, you can quickly become a valuable problem solver. Look for ways to address these pain points early on, and communicate your efforts to those involved. This can establish you as someone who makes a real difference. 8. Secure early mentors. Why? Having mentors is critical to accelerating your growth and career development. They provide valuable insights, feedback, and guidance that can help you navigate challenges and avoid common pitfalls. A mentor also offers a sense of connection and advocacy within the company. What to do? Identify 2 types of mentors: one who is a peer and can help you navigate the day-to-day of your role, and one who is a senior leader who can provide strategic advice and advocate for you. Engage with them regularly, asking for feedback and advice on your performance and development. Pro tip: when choosing mentors, look for individuals who are invested in your success and willing to challenge you. A good mentor will offer constructive feedback, push you out of your comfort zone, and share their knowledge to help you grow. 9. Optimize your first impression stack. Why? People often form lasting impressions of others within the first few interactions. By consistently demonstrating reliability, curiosity, and positivity, you can create a strong first impression that serves you well throughout your career. These traits communicate your commitment, openness to learning, and positive attitude. What to do? To optimize your first impression, make sure you meet deadlines, ask thoughtful questions, and avoid complaining about early challenges. Show that you're someone who can be relied upon to get things done and is eager to learn and contribute. Pro tip: demonstrating a positive attitude, especially in challenging situations, can set you apart as someone who is adaptable and solution-oriented. Being dependable and eager to engage will help you build strong relationships from the start. 10. Document everything. Why? During the onboarding process, you'll likely receive an overwhelming amount of information. By documenting everything, you ensure that you have a reference to go back to later. This not only helps you remember key details but also provides a structured resource that you can share with others or use to improve your performance. What to do? Create a private wiki or a well-organized document where you can store information such as processes, key contacts, lessons learned, and anything else that helps you get acclimated. Refer back to it regularly to refresh your memory and add new insights as you progress. Pro tip: be diligent about keeping your documentation up to date. As you learn new processes or encounter new challenges, add them to your notes. This creates a personal knowledge base that will save you time and frustration in the future. 11. Plant promotion seeds early. Why? Your career path is shaped by early perceptions and actions. By demonstrating that you're capable of more and showing initiative early on, you can increase your chances of being considered for promotions when the opportunity arises. Early career decisions often shape how others perceive your potential. What to do? Casually ask leaders and mentors about what success looks like in 6 months and what you can do to position yourself for a promotion. Demonstrate that you're committed to growth and willing to take on new challenges. Pro tip: when you learn about the skills and qualities needed for the next role, start developing them proactively. Seek out projects or tasks that help you build those skills, and be vocal about your interest in growth opportunities. 12. Schedule a 90-day self-review. Why? Early feedback can be hard to come by, and waiting for your company's formal review might leave you in the dark. Conducting a self-review at 90 days allows you to reflect on your performance, assess your progress, and take proactive steps to adjust where necessary. It also helps you manage expectations and set new goals. What to do? At the 90-day mark, take time to assess your performance. Reflect on questions like, what's working well? What should I stop doing? What's my reputation so far? Solicit feedback from key stakeholders and use it to guide your next steps. Pro tip: don't wait for feedback to come to you. Be proactive and ask for input from your manager, peers, and team members to get a comprehensive view of your performance. Successfully navigating the first 90 days of a new job can set the foundation for a rewarding career. By embracing the strategies shared, Smart employees position themselves as valuable assets to their teams and organizations. Whether it's building strong relationships, seeking feedback, or proactively contributing to company goals, these actions demonstrate a commitment to growth and excellence. Remember, the key to thriving in your new role is consistency and adaptability. By staying focused, engaged, and strategic, you'll not only make a lasting impression but also lay the groundwork for continued success in your career.